In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with HubSpot CRM tutorial. We'll walk through the core areas you'll use most often so you can get organized quickly and build a simple, scalable process. Some features I'll show are part of paid plans, and I'll mention that when it applies. Start by setting up your contacts. Head to CRM, then Contacts. This is your central list of people and companies. Keeping it clean from day one saves a lot of time later. If you already have a list, you can add contacts here via CSV. Before you import, check that your CSV headers make sense and match the fields you want in HubSpot. During the import, carefully map each column to the correct contact property so names, emails, and any custom details land in the right place. It's a good idea to import a small sample first to confirm everything looks correct, then bring in the full file. After the import, scan a few records to verify formatting and ensure there are no duplicates or missing values. Next, explore the marketing section. This is where you can set up your campaigns, emails, and forms, which are paid features. Campaigns help you keep related assets and performance in one place so you can see how your efforts are working together. When you build marketing emails, keep your subject lines clear and your message focused on one goal. For forms, collect only the information you really need so completion rates stay high, and make sure the fields you use align with the properties in your contacts. Always follow best practices for permission and compliance, and send test messages to confirm links and personalization work as expected. Move over to the content section to build landing pages or even websites. Start with a template that suits your goal, then add concise headlines, supportive copy, and a form or call to action. Keep the layout clean, use imagery that reinforces your message, and preview your page on both desktop and mobile to ensure it's easy to read and quick to load. The tighter the connection between your content, your form, and the promise in your email or ad, the better your conversion rates will be. Finally, set up your automations by going to Automation, then Workflows, which are paid features. Workflows let you automate follow-ups, lead nurturing, and internal notifications. Define a clear enrollment trigger, choose actions like sending an email or updating a contact property, and add delays that feel natural. Before turning a workflow on, test with sample records to confirm the sequence behaves exactly as intended. That's the foundation for working in HubSpot CRM. Contacts, marketing, content, and automation. Working together to grow your pipeline with less effort.